Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm Samina, Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School, and I'm going to take a class for the students of class 5, and let's look at the topic today. So dear students, here I have written the topic letter 1 and 2. Okay, so this is lecture number 22 from your annual term, and here my mobile number is given if you need anything, if you want to ask anything. So let's start our lesson. So dear students, look here, I have written the letters, the questions. Number 1, suppose you are Shima or Shoikot from Dhaka. Write a letter to your friend Jessica or John who lives in the UK about your mother. Okay, so you have to write a letter. Being Shima or Shoikot, you can choose any of these names, and you have to write to Jessica or John. Here also you can choose any one of them, one of these names, and you have to write about your mother. So let's see the answer here. So look dear students, you all know that in writing letter we have to give there are 6 parts of the letter. First, there is a heading. In our heading we have to write the date and the address of the sender. So here I have written the date and the address of the sender who sends the letter. So let's read this letter, and under this heading you have to give salutation. This is the salutation, dear Jessica. Okay, then you have to write the body of the letter. So let's read. I am very happy to learn from your letter that you are well. I am also fine. In your letter you wanted to know about my mother. My mother's name is Shahida Begum. She is a well-educated woman. She is a housewife and she takes care of our whole family. She is very hardworking and manages all the household chores smartly. My mother is my best friend. I cannot think about my mother. I cannot think about my life without her. I always try to obey my mother. No more today. Take care. And write to me, yours truly, Shima. So yours truly, this is called subscription when you take leave, and then signature. Okay, then you have to give the envelope, which is also called superscription, and in an envelope you have to give the address, your address, and the person whom you are sending the letter to. So here from Shima, this is an address. You can make up any other address, and then to Jessica, this is an address from the London, as you have been told in the question that Jessica lives in London. Okay, so let's see the 2-number question, dear students. 2 number, suppose you are Sohel or Shamima reading in class 5. Write a letter to your friend Laila who lives in the UK about the importance of all jobs. Okay, so you have to write a letter to a friend whose name is Laila who lives in the UK about the importance of all jobs. Okay, so here you can choose any of these names, Sohel or Shamima. So let's see the answer of this letter. Look dear students, again we have to give the heading first, the date and the address, your address. Then, dear Laila, take my love. I hope this letter finds you hale and hearty. Today I want to tell you about the importance of all jobs in my letter. There are people with different types of professions in our society, such as doctors, engineers, businessmen. journalists, farmers, rickshaw pullers, sweepers, etc. We should consider all of their jobs important. No job is minor. So I've written 2 is no job is minor or insignificant because these jobs make our lives comfortable. So we should respect all jobs equally. No more today. With best wishes and love. Sincerely yours, Samina. Okay, so this is the letter, and then you have to write the envelope. Similarly, as the previous one, you will write an address of the sender from Shamima, then the address, then to Laila, then an address from the UK, 21 Wellington Street, London, UK. So these are the letters that you can practice for your exam, and you can write these letters in your own words. These are just for example. So students, I hope you have understood the lesson properly. So see you in the next class.